Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now, this YouTube channel basically talks about Facebook ads, Instagram ads, everything that has to do with advertising and how you can grow your business and increase your sales with advertising. All right, my name is Shola and I am right here to tell you something that is very, very important for you. Now, are you trying to switch your account, your Instagram account to prepaid? Now, this video is going to help you if you're trying to make a switch from the postpaid to the prepaid ad account. Now, if you're in Nigeria, this particular video would help you a whole lot. Now, I mean, usually in Nigeria, we run the postpaid before now, and it's been very smooth. I mean, we pay with our Naira cards and all that. I mean, very smooth. But since late last year or early last year or mid last year somehow, it has not been going as smooth as it should, because most of our Nigerian banks have now stopped allowing us to make online payments with our cards. I mean, I don't know why that has happened, but it has affected a lot of people who run Facebook and Instagram ads. Right now, they expect that what you need to do is to go and get a domiciliary account and get a dollar card, and then you can use that to, but nobody wants to make money in Naira and run ads in dollars. It doesn't really make sense. That's a lot of money. So what we have decided to do is, or what has been achievable thus far, has been using a prepaid account. Now, a lot of people have opened a prepaid account, but they do not know how to make that switch on Instagram. So this video is going to show you how to make that switch. So if you already have created your prepaid account, let me go to my screen and show you. So I've already created my own prepaid account, right? So I have this prepaid account called Naira, or this other one here also called my new prepaid. So I want to make a switch on my Instagram to either of these two prepaid accounts. Now, if you don't know how to create a prepaid account, check at the top. You will see a video that I made long time ago about how to create a prepaid account. It's well detailed and it will help you. So if you've created your prepaid account and you want to make that switch, now, what you need to do is to come to Instagram account. Now, this particular setting I'm about to show you is very important and you must do it. So go to Instagram account. Under Instagram account, please look for your Instagram page. Now, click add assets, right? Click add assets, and then the prepaid account that you have created, just give access to that ad account to be able to use your Instagram account. So basically, all I'll just do is click my new prepaid and click Naira, and then I click add, right? So once this is done, the next thing I'm going to do is going to be on Instagram, right? The next thing I'm going to do is going to be on Instagram. So I'm going to go into my Instagram. Of course, you will see my Instagram page right now. Now, I'm going to go into my settings, right? Go into my settings. Then I'm going to go to business, add payments, right? Add payments. Then you go into, now when you go to add payments, you will see this page that says add new payment method with a Facebook account. You need to click that. Add new payment method with your Facebook account. So I'm going to click that. Now, when I click this, what is going to happen is that it's going to load all my ad accounts from my Facebook. It's going to load it. It is very important. Now, it has loaded it. Now, I already have a prepaid ad account which is linked to my Instagram, but I want to see the other ones that I've created. So I'm going to just click your account. At the top where you see your account, I'm going to scroll down. You can see new prepaid ad account. You can see the Naira account. Now you can see it. You can see my new prepaid. You can see it here, and you can see Naira. So I can switch to either of them that I want to. Okay. So this is exactly how to switch to your prepaid ad account on Instagram. I hope you have learned something very, very helpful, right? Go ahead, leave a comment. Let me know if this helps you. Also, let me know the type of videos that you would like me to create, the topics that you would like me to touch for your ads. Okay. Thank you so much. Remember that you should subscribe to my YouTube channel just by clicking subscribe. Look for the subscribe button down below, and also like this video, and also turn on the notification button so that when I do more videos like this, you will be the first person to get notified about it. Thank you so much. And like I always say, I'll see you in another video.